First Warn weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Candace King.
Yesterday, meteorologist Joy Marino and myself went up to Robinson Elementary School up in Beloit, Wisconsin to talk all about weather. And we talked a little bit about severe weather. And one of the things we focused on was what to do when you come across a flooded roadway. Told the students, very simple phrase, turn around, don't drown. We continue with our severe weather preparedness week here in Illinois. And we're going to talk about flooding, the difference between a flood watch and a flood warning. A flood watch is issued when flooding is possible. You need to continue to monitor the weather and be prepared to act should a flood warning be issued. When a flood warning or flash flood warning is issued, it means flooding is occurring or is about to occur in a very short amount of time. You need to get out and move to higher ground. Take action immediately. Remember, a watch means you can still continue doing what you're doing, but you have to remain alert. A warning means you need to take that action and you need to do whatever you're supposed to do, whether it be severe thunderstorm, tornado warning, or flash flood warning. Nothing like that for us tonight. It's the wind. A wind advisory has been issued for all of southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois, now extending to include Winnebago County, Boone and McHenry, Ogle, Lee, and DeKalb counties. This will go until very early tomorrow morning. Sustained winds coming in from the west between about 15 up to 25 miles per hour, but we've had some gusts here already close to 40, and that wind speed is actually going to increase, unfortunately, as we go through the night tonight. All of this is tied into an area of low pressure now moving across the upper Great Lakes. It's kind of tightening a bit, and as it does, it increases that pressure gradient. But not only do we have the wind, we're also starting to see an increase in a few of these scattered showers and even some snow showers mixing in west of a line from Monroe to Freeport down to Foreston. You might have a few of those slushy flurries back from Lena, Pearl City, Stockton, and Elizabeth in Joe Daviess County. And this will continue throughout the evening through about midnight or so until high pressure begins to move in. This will help clear out our skies a little as we go through the overnight tonight. It'll still be windy tomorrow, and that means the wind chills tomorrow morning will be down into the low teens. So a cold start to our Friday, but we'll see plenty of sunshine. The wind will lighten up a bit as we go through the afternoon. It does turn light overnight Friday. Will be some frost into early Saturday. The wind will pick up then from the south on Saturday afternoon. So here's our wind gusts as we go through the overnight. Notice about midnight, 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, peaking at around 40 to 45 miles per hour, and they'll stay strong through sunrise tomorrow. Now, the wind will also be gusty Saturday and Sunday. The wind direction will be coming in from the south, so it warms our temperatures up, but unfortunately, our dew point numbers will stay down, so the moisture in the air is going to be down, which will keep that relative humidity on the lower side, so an elevated fire risk. So no burning this weekend, even though you might be tempted to do some outside work. A live look, with our Mercial SkyTrack camera now over Rochelle. We've got the cloud cover out there. Temperature in Rochelle 39, 40 here in Rockford, also 40 degrees. Our weather watcher Jim is checking in with this evening, also in Rockford, and a dew point temperature 28. We'll go down into the 20s here as we go through the night tonight, down to 27. Wind-driven showers with a few of those flurries, and those wind conditions will continue during the first half of tomorrow. 42 for the afternoon, so about 10 degrees colder tomorrow than today. 54 on Saturday, 62 on Sunday. Good amount of rain coming in then as we work into early next week.
That wind makes a big difference.
It does.